True bank at pag-ibig lang po ba kayo or pwede mag-in-house? Yes, pwede po tayo mag-in-house financing kahit hindi po kayo mag-bank or pag-ibig financing. Ang advantage lang din po ng in-house financing natin ay meron tayong fixed rate na interest rate for the 25 years to pay period, okay? So, ang maganda niyan, pwede po kayo makamove in agad after the down payment nyo po sa in-house financing. And ang good news po dito, less hassle sa documents kasi nga po, developer na po tayo maglo-loan directly. That's why in-house financing. Kung locally employed po kayo, kailangan lang po natin 2 months payslip, CUEC po ninyo. Kung business po kayo, ITR and business permits and financial statement. At kung freelancer po kayo, kailangan lang po natin dyan is yung job contract or CUEC and payslip po natin. At yung 12 months bank statement po ninyo, pati na rin kung saan po pumapasok yung sahod nyo. It's either PayPal or Wise Transfer. Kung OFW ka naman at gusto mo mag-avail through in-house financing, pwede pa rin. Ipe-present mo lang dito yung payslip mo, job contract, or CUEC. So kung interested po kayo, Ma'am Ellen, sa ating in-house financing dito sa 2-bedroom condo units or Ortigas Extension, Pasig, just follow me and message me.